In this video, we will look at the performance of the compass axis indicator on Bitcoin's 30-minute chart. You can see how the signals work. How it generates signals when the price is high and when it is cheap. Let's examine how this is a suitable point to take profit. Here it again says profit can be taken, and here profit can be taken. You see it marks this level and this level. As a suitable point for buying and as a suitable point for selling. A point where a position can be taken. Do you notice? Exactly at this point a movement occurs. Even though there is a very strong trend, at this point a difference occurs. Looking here, it again shows the optimum point for selling. When it says suitable for buying, you see a move in the next candle here. In the same way, this zone looks like a suitable area for buying. Buy, 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 buy. When we think of making gradual purchases, nice. A suitable point for buying. Selling pressure is strong. A point where additions can be made below. Nice. A suitable point for buying. Selling pressure is strong. A point where additions can be made below. $135. Points where profit can be taken. Look. The point suitable for buying. After selling, we can buy here and sell again here. Don't forget to turn on notifications. We are here.